Hi everybody, welcome back, and we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can keep limit reminder on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel if you have already done so. We are so grateful to you guys, and if you haven't, please do so right away. And now we will simply step into our video. So for example, you want to know the limits of TikTok or you want to keep them. What you're going to do is simply, let's go first, open our TikTok. So you will simply open your TikTok app over here. Once your app is open, what you can do is, so for example, if you're trying to sign up to, if you're trying to follow, so apparently up to 10,000 accounts you can follow here in TikTok. Okay, that's the limit, and in 24 hours the limit for you, the accounts that you can follow is 200. So if you are like just opening your TikTok and constantly following accounts rather than your TikTok, you might get the limit because the TikTok might detect you as a online, as a bot. So that's why you can get this limit notification right there in TikTok. So for, as I mentioned over here, you can do it up to 200 more. You cannot follow more than 200 accounts right there in Instagram. If you want to follow more, then you can go ahead, do it in your next day. Like as I told you it's for like 24 hours. Next day you can go ahead again, follow 200 more if you want to. So the limits are, as I mentioned, 10,000 max, 10,000 to total, and 200 per 24 hours. So yes guys, this is it. This is the information for you, and this is how you can keep limits. I hope this video was helpful. If you got a particular question regarding any of the concerns, leave them in the comments below. I will make sure to check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.